Welcome back to Tackle Crew. My name is Ludwig and today we're gonna do some unboxing and have some first impressions of this reel. This is the Daiwa Prorex XR TWS 300. Let's go. Well, alright, so let's dig in. So this is the Prorex XR TWS 300 left. I got this from a deal, from an auction. So this is also used, but it should be in good shape. Look at this. Yeah, some marks on the handle, but yeah, it looks fine. And we have some nice purple color on the knobs and here and on the spool, and I must say this looks amazing. This is so sweet. You have this super big handle, 11 centimeter I think. You have this oversized star drag and super deep spool. The body and side plate is made out of aluminum, so you have this robust feeling, you know. It is a big reel. It feels like a tank. This sounds like a tank. You have this really big handle, 11 centimeter long. You have those round EVA knobs, a oversized star drag, deep spool, and this body and side plate is made out of aluminum, so you really get this robust feeling, you know. And we have 8 bearings. We have a gear ratio of 6:1, which has a line intake of 85 centimeter. You can get this in both left and right handle, and max drag is 12 kilos and it weighs 330 grams. And for you guys who watch my other unboxing videos, I have this sequence when I want to just hear how the reel sounds like. So I'm gonna turn off the music, stop talking, and I'm gonna just let you hear what it sounds like. So this reel cost a lot of money, so I'm gonna go through some things that I thought about. And the first thing is the star drag feels a bit loose, you know, as you can see. And the thumb bar a bit loose also. The last thing I thought about was this brake on the side plate right here. It could maybe get uncomfortable when you palm it. It really depends on how you palm the reel. But that was one thing I thought about, and I have been thinking about it on the other tattoos, for example. And I really think it doesn't really look that good in my opinion. Maybe they should have hidden this behind the side plate like the Shimano's or the Daiwa Cillian, I don't know. But hey, that's just my opinion, I don't know what you guys think. Besides that, I think this reel is really sweet. I love this handle and its knobs. I really like the oversized star drag. I like the black and purple color together. I like the deep spools, you can have a ton of braid. It sounds like nothing else I've tried actually. I love the sound of this reel. You can just hear the quality of it, you know. It feels super robust, it feels heavy, it's a big reel, it should just handle any type of fish out there. So if you want a good looking, a powerful reel, this is the one for you. And I think I'm gonna pair it with my Daiwa Prorex XR sledgehammer. It's an 8'8", 220 grams, and I think it will look just awesome with that rod. Alright, so that was it. This is the Daiwa Prorex XR TWS 300 left-handed reel. And I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please hit that comment if you want us to do more like these videos. So thank you guys for watching, see you in the next one.